still shut down a party. I can hang with anybody. I can drink whiskey and red wine, champagne and all night, little scotch on the rocks, and I'm fine, I'm fine. But when I taste tequila, baby, I still see ya cutting up the floor in a sorority t-shirt, the same one you wore when we were sky high in Colorado. Your lips pressed against the bottle, slamming on a Bible, baby, I'd never leave you. I remember how bad I need you when I taste tequila. When I taste tequila, I can kiss somebody brand new and not even think about you. I can show up to the same bar, hear the same song.
A little bit of dirt and debris is not gonna work.
Your memory, it only hits me this hard. When I taste tequila, baby, I still see you cutting up the floor in a sorority t-shirt, the same one you wore when we were sky high in Colorado. Your lips pressed against the bottle, slamming on a Bible, baby, I'd never leave you. I remember how bad I need you when I taste tequila. When I taste tequila.
You wouldn't want to fall down in there, you wouldn't.
It's fun to do.
Nobody wants to do any of it.
I know. You know what, Connor, nobody's got anything. It's hard to do for projects, you know?
You gonna fill that up like quite a ways with that? Like
As
up.
much as we can with around it, and then we'll top it off with this stuff. That in itself right there, Connor, all around that clay, that's going to create a well itself, because that's all going to fill full of water, all those little
Reservoir.
voids. It's nice to go deeper, but
So Dad, right at the bottom of that pipe, is there just that?
Like I said, we're not running a house on it. All that rocky, all that clay would seal all that full of water and hold all that rock.
When I
Anyway.
taste tequila, baby, I still see ya sorority t-shirt, the same one you wore when we were sky high in Colorado. Your lips pressed against the bottle, slamming on a Bible, baby, I'd never leave you. I remember how bad I need you when I taste tequila. When I taste tequila. When I taste tequila. When I taste tequila. Maybe I've been drinking something I really shouldn't drink, and I'm halfway through 7 numbers I know I shouldn't call. And I've been playing that song I don't know better than to play. When you pick up that phone, I'll say something I shouldn't say. Hey baby, do you miss me tonight? Hey, do you wanna get wrong just right? Let's make a mistake and let's make a few, and maybe do something that we shouldn't do, baby. Something that we shouldn't do. About to turn down the street, I swore I'd never go back down. About to cross the bridge I really should have burned by now. About to knock on a door we really ought to keep closed, trying to piece back together something that's better off broke. Hey baby, do you miss me tonight? something that we